So good morning, principal, teachers and students. So yesterday, Form 2, as part of their English project, presented their class t-shirt. And they were asked to design a t-shirt that represented their class. So let's have a look at some of the winners. So from 2A, we have Anson and Jan. Congratulations. And then also 2A, Helen and Christy with their environmentally friendly t-shirt. From 2B, Mickey and Lily with their summer t-shirt. And then from 2C, we have Jenny and Jan. And then also 2C, Olivia, Kelly and Kitty. And then lastly, from 2C, Cindy and Vicky. So Form 2, please give a round of applause to your classmates and congratulations to all of the winners.